Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a delicious Jello dessert. I love a light and fluffy low carb dessert, and this one is strawberry Jello with Chantilly cream. Now, this is a really popular dessert in Bolivia. My husband's Bolivian, so I learned this from him, and it's really a great go-to, and it's super, super easy and quick to make. First thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna prepare your Jello. Now, use any kind of zero carb Jello that you like. You could really use whichever flavor you like, but I personally think that strawberry Jello is the best. Make sure you have that ready in a glass or a bowl. And we're gonna start working on our Chantilly cream. Now, this is a little bit hard to, you have to kind of play around with the recipe, but after many tries, I've finally gotten it to the consistency that it needs to be at. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna throw some evaporated milk into a larger bowl. Now I'm gonna be using about half of a can because this is enough for about 2 people, but you could use a full can if you wanted to. While you have that in a bowl, you also wanna make sure you have juice from 1 entire lime, and some sweetener of choice. I like to use erythritol granulated sweetener. And that is ready to go for whenever the foam is ready. You're gonna take a hand mixer and on low speed, beat the evaporated milk until it starts to foam. It's gonna take about 2 minutes. Once your evaporated milk is nice and foamy, you're gonna add some granulated sweetener. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon to start. And I forgot to mention your evaporated milk needs to be really cold, so straight out of the fridge. And now we're gonna add our lime juice. You know your foam is ready when it has stiff peaks like this. We're ready to put it into our Jello. All you need to do for plating, it is so easy. You're going to take the foam. As you can see, it is super stiff. That's exactly the texture that you're looking for. And this might be a trial and error process for you. It definitely was for me. So don't feel, discouraged if it didn't work out for you the first couple of times. You're gonna put the foam right on top of the Jello. And this is our delicious, refreshing dessert, strawberry Jello with Chantilly cream. I cannot wait to dig in. This really is such a great go-to dessert, especially as the weather is getting warmer and we're approaching spring, summertime. Look how good this foam stays up. You get this nice strawberry flavor with a delicious, light and fluffy lime foam. Let's get some of our Jello and our foam right here. Cheers, guys. I mean, just super refreshing and light. Again, this is a low carb dessert. It is keto friendly, and most importantly, super delicious and refreshing. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below and which dessert I should make next. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.